Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials are present: your Apple Music plan and a compatible device. Once done, open Settings and go to Music. Make sure spatial audio is allowed and that lossless is not forcing incompatibility. Connect your chosen headphones, wired Lightning or supported AirPods, and unlock your device. Then open the Apple Music app and find a Dolby Atmos label on a track or album. This gets you into the actual playback workflow without wasted setup steps. Next, enable Dolby Atmos in Settings Music and choose Automatic for device-aware switching or Always On to force Atmos. Once enabled, make sure your audio output matches. AirPods Pro/Max will use head tracking spatialization, while wired Lightning or USB-C keeps consistent channel rendering. Then open a Dolby Atmos labeled album and press play. Listen for distinct placement and depth. If you want more control, tap the AirPlay icon during playback to verify which device is outputting and that spatial audio is active. To finalize, fine-tune volume and avoid EQ presets that collapse stereo imaging. You want clean dynamics to reveal spatial detail. If you don't hear Atmos, first quit and update Apple Music, then restart the device, reconnect your headphones, and toggle Dolby Atmos off and back on. Make sure firmware for your earbuds is current. Finally, play a verified Dolby Atmos track and switch between outputs to confirm head tracking and spatial separation. This proves the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.